Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy infinite cobblestone generator farm in your survival world. The items required are very easy to find. All you need is a trapdoor, hopper, chest, stairs, water bucket, lava bucket and a pickaxe. So first start placing stairs like this. You can place how many ever stairs you want. That depends on the area you have or the amount of cobblestone you need. At present I'll place 5. So now take your trapdoors, place it like this and close them all. Place it on the corners too. Now take your water bucket, place it on each stair over here. Over here. Just like this. Now come to the center, behind the stairs, dig a block over here and dig a block next to it. This is the area where we'll place our stairs. Like this. Now come over here, dig all the blocks until we reach the end of the stair. Like this. Now take your hopper, connect to the chest. Like this. Make sure that all your hoppers are connected to each other or else your farm won't work. Like this. After you do, place your trapdoors again. Just like this. Leave one block from the hopper. So you have left one more spot over here. Crouch and place the trapdoor on the chest. Now come to a normal position. Close your trapdoor. So after you come here, place lava. So our farm has already started working. Let me show you how it works. So you can come up over here for mining. Like this. Until you mine one, the one again regenerates. So it's kind of easy. It doesn't make you wait for a long time. So if you have placed the hoppers right, the cobblestone will go down the hopper over here. Will go down the hopper over here and it will come back in the chest. So as you can see, it's not even a minute. I have 33 cobblestone. So if you expand it more, you can expand it how much ever you want. It's your wish. So the more you expand, the more cobblestone you'll have. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and sub to my channel. And if you want more farm videos, please comment down. Bye.